Needed new internet at our office. Won't be available until, this is the back of our new office. Won't be available till the end of March. I didn't feel like signing a new 12-month contract with the cable company or something like that, so I decided to run a different option. You can see what I've done here is I've run some Ethernet cable from my previous office to a window behind our new office, so we get an idea. I wanted to show you the length of cable that we had to run here, so actually kind of impressive. There's my current office. You can see the single cable coming out of there. That's about, our estimates are about 340 feet. Interestingly, I actually tested the entire 500-foot spool of cable. Made a cable on, crimped one end, crimped the other end, and it worked perfectly fine. I was able to get full 20 megs down, 2 megs up, which is not that great, but that's the maximum for our internet. So there you go. This is PC Perspective's ghetto mod for internet access across buildings. Here we are in the new office. You saw me just run that cable. It ended up being just about 400 feet. You can see it out there on the ground. And as it comes in the window, all right, we hook it up to our hinged ASUS switch. You can see it's running right there, but it is not running at gigabit speed. The orange light indicates gigabit speed, but it is running. And it's the gray one there. And I've got my laptop here connected through the Ethernet here. So let's run speed test. See what our results are. 27 millisecond ping. And we're getting close to our 20 megabits downstream. And most important for us with all of our streaming stuff is the upstream. We're supposed to get about 2 megabits up, and that's as close as we've gotten even at the other office. So there you go, 18.7 down, 1.89 up via a 400-foot Ethernet cable.